We'll guide you through how to make text behind character in Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating text behind a character is a popular design effect used in social media posts and posters. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀. Press Enter, wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. After the editor opens, click Open Image and import your image from your device. Then wait until it fully loads onto the canvas. Next, go to the Layers panel and duplicate the image layer to create a copy. Rename the bottom layer as Background and rename the top layer as Character to keep things organized. Make sure the character layer is selected, then go to the toolbar and choose the Cutout tool. Carefully drag over the character section to mark the subject. After that, go to the top menu and click AI Auto to remove the background automatically. Now the character should be separated from the original background. Select the Text tool, click on the canvas, and type your desired text. Adjust the font style and size until it fits your design. Return to the Layers panel and drag the text layer below the character layer so the text appears behind the subject. To create a stronger overlap effect, duplicate the character layer again and place this duplicate above the text layer. If necessary, erase small parts of the top character layer to refine the effect and make it look natural. Continue adjusting the position of the text and character layers until the composition looks clean and balanced. Take your time to ensure edges are smooth and alignment looks correct. Once everything is set, finish by saving or exporting your final image in your preferred format. Double-check that the layering order remains correct after adjustments, and that the character clearly overlaps the text where intended. You can also slightly reposition the duplicate character layer to enhance depth and make the effect more noticeable. Make small refinements gradually instead of large changes to maintain accuracy.